Now we're gonna go back excuse me, to catch a coach back to the hotel, and it's right next to the clock tower. You literally go down these stairs or the stairs next to it, walk straight down. Look, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8. Whoa, nearly fell over. You fell. Take your time. So this is underneath the clock tower. You also have entrances to these hotels. What we're doing now is we're going to go back to VOCO Hotel. I believe we have to catch a couple of coaches. One will take you to point B, and from there we will catch another coach straight to the hotel. So you come underneath the clock tower, and as you can see, you carry on walking straight, going straight basically. Watch out, mate, watch out. Yeah. Very busy. Okay, people are going to do Umrah. It's a great time. We'll be very busy, extremely busy. What is he selling here? Selling perfume. Okay, am I going the right way? I believe I am. So you carry on walking straight, and the coaches should be here somewhere on the right hand side. Going. Okay, you can see the coach there. I think I might have to take a left. Yes, I'm gonna have to. No, I'm gonna have to take a right. So you're kind of going, and you come to this place called Drop Off. Right, and you should take any coach. So let's see, is this a queue for the coaches or what? Yes. Okay. get on, what we're going to do is we're going to sit right at the back. Oh. Okay, we'll sat down and we'll move soon. That's good, boss. Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you, thank you. Name on, with the name of the hotel on there. It says